Hi, I'm Dr. Kenneth Kunz, President of the Board of the International Literacy Association. I'm also a literacy coach and teacher educator who designs and provides professional development in school communities and through my work presenting at state, national, and international literacy conferences. I'm always looking for tools that I can use with my teachers. This is one of the reasons why I love ILA's new resource collections. Each one is organized around a timely and important topic with a curated selection of video clips, journal articles, magazine features, instructional resources for practice, and more. Some even include exclusive resources created just for the collection. As someone who spends a lot of time working in schools, I know that PD and professional learning can place a demand on coaches, administrators, and the like. One challenge is there isn't always a lot of time to plan, and we often wear a lot of hats in the work that we do. This is why relying on trusted and reputable research and resources is more important than ever. With ILA, the resource collection has already been done for you. If you'd like to see another collection in action, join us on Tuesday, September 13th from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time for Fostering Literate Identities for Struggling Readers, a free webinar featuring Francis L. Gonzalez Garcia. Dr. Gonzalez Garcia will be using resources from the Supporting Readers Who Struggle collection to demonstrate core concepts and really bring the topic to life. You do not need to purchase the collection to participate in this webinar. It's not a product demonstration or a sales pitch, but the event will give you a pretty good picture of how ILA resource collections apply to your own practice and PD. For more information about the ILA resource collections and a full list of topics available, visit literacyworldwide.org/collections. You can also register for the free webinar at literacyworldwide.org/digital events. I hope to see you there.